The good life. The forces out there today. Do we know that the forces out there are the one creating mostly the suffering and the whole hardship that we're seeing in our world today? Do we know that the others follow us because they are called the others followers? Because they are the one that follow others. Are the one that force the government rules into people by them carrying all those their gun, their weapons to force you. And most time when people don't want to do what they don't want to really do, sometimes they will go further to shoot those people that is not wanting to follow their order. So the forces, they are the main people creating these calamities around the globe. When we look at how this current outrage just came, and we are still on it now. But me, I'm not watching the TV, so I'm not even hearing or really know what is really happening in the outrage story about the COVID-19. So like that, me, I'm not absorbing myself into fears. I'm not absorbing my fear into the system games way to make us afraid, to make us have that fear in us. Because when people are kept in fears, they will cease to think. Because when you are in fear, and especially when you are not going within yourself, when you are not meditating, when fears come, you won't know what to do. You just start doing everything anyhow without you thinking straight, without you thinking with your right senses before you do things. So these things that are happening here now are all planned, they are all scripted. That's why we see that most government enforcement, like the governors, all those syndicates, the president, they always come with shit to read, because most of them, they are being given script to talk what they want to talk, and it's not really them talking. It's that shit that they have written, that somebody have written for them, that they must talk about. So the forces are not needed in the new head that is about to form now. The forces, the law enforcement, which are easily called the other followers. They follow order. They are not needed in this our world, in the new head, because in the new head is all about love. It's all about compassion. It's all about care. It's all about we standing for what we want and seeing the change that we'll be waiting for, that people will be going to mountains to pray about. So if you are not meditating now, you are wasting a lot of your energy. You focusing on the news, focusing on all those things that don't matter in your life. So we have to know that the law enforcement are the one creating havoc. They are the one creating those sufferings. The same people that form this law enforcement, I think the one forming those groups that would think that are just some people that just wake up one day and say no, want to start killing people. No. There are powers behind these people, because when there's money is a tool. Money is a tool now that they are using to control people. And they are using to make people think in the wrong way, to harm themselves. People will go and kill the people that they don't know, people that have not done any harm to them, just because of payment, just because they feel that this is what I'm living by, this is what I'm doing that is feeding me. So money is a big thing. Money is like a religion. Just like how the authority is. It's all a religion. And religion is one of the religion is not one. Religion is the only problem on our head. Because when we are in religion, you are forced to do something, to do a certain thing. If not, you rather go to hell or you go to jail. You see it? So, law enforcement, if you see how it plays around the world, you will see that the non-white people, here where I am in Europe, they are being controlled. The law enforcement enforce their law into the people through taxes, through money payment, and people are not ready to lose their material things now because they feel that this is all what they have over here. But the non-white people, that is African people, or all those aboriginal people, they are being controlled with force, with force. They are being punished physically, you know, being sent to jail, being hit with all those their things, all those their instruments that the law enforcement do take up on them. They do flog them, they do make them do frog jump, send them to jail. Some of them will even be shot. So that's how you know that the law enforcement are the one really creating the havoc, really creating the negative change that our world should not be about. The law enforcement are the one in front of everything that would think that one man is speaking, one president is speaking, or one government is speaking. No. Those people that they are speaking, they are not the one coming down to carry gun and say, oh yeah, you people should do this thing, you people should do this thing. No, it's not those people. It's not those big men. It's not those big women with big bellies. No. They are the youth. They are the young men, young women out there that they have lost their right senses, that they have lost their right thinking of trying to follow people that you know that you are carrying harm. You are carrying harm for you to control your people. That is you. You are just this. That is the art of enslavement. The law enforcement are the one creating and continuing the enslavement on earth. So we have to know that. And if you are to change the world, if you are a law enforcement and you come across this video, the only way that you become a good person is for you to get out of those institutions. If for you to quit, that is the only option. For you to become a good law enforcement, to become a good woman, is for you to quit those courts, because law enforcement are courts. When you go deep down and check, you see that there is it's a court. They feel that they own some people and control some people because they have that gun on their hand, they have that pistol, they have that AK-47 on their hand. That is it. It is all a court. And when you look at the law enforcement head, because there are various kind of law enforcement. They are the one that they are sitting in the office, and they are the one that are carrying the physical harm, the physical action. Those are the real one. Those ones carrying the physical action are the real problem that the mass have. When we look around their cap, we see that is a symbol of them putting something in the middle of in their higher chakra, which is the head chakra. Then in the middle, you see that they always put dots. They always put symbol in the middle like this. That is them. That is the sign to see that that is their thought that is, but they have wore something. They have wore a flaw, because that is them. They base on very low consciousness. That is a base consciousness. That is why you see that on that design in the middle of their cap, or the middle of the cap like this, you will see that they put the design of a pavement. If you go and look at, for example, because they won't want to let you know that this is how everything is, so they will create a different divisions and different design. But the one that you should go and use to find out what is really happening, what you are going through, what you don't know you are in, is that you base your thinking sensation is the base consciousness, very very base consciousness. That's why you see in the UK police cap, you see that they draw that thing very well. You see that they draw the pavement, white and black pavement around the head. Then there's one something like the sun symbol like this in the middle. That is their third eyes. So you know that there are changes that will need to happen in this our new earth. In this our new earth, law enforcement are not needed, because love, when care and love exists, we don't need control. We don't need any police over our life. We don't need any army to go and start war, to go and start killing each other, because the ones even following these orders are the ones still killing themselves. In each various divisions that they have divided the continent into, or the countries, this country will go and kill the other law enforcement agent. This other agent will go and kill this other one. So you are the one putting on the enslavement on the heart. Then you are still the ones still killing yourself. So that should sink in very well. The people that give you the orders are not the one going to the war or sending their children to go and fight and go and kill other people in other nations. No, you are the one. So wake up. This is a wake up call. Wake up from me, so that you start living the good life, so that you start seeing the good life around you. And if you don't know, people do what they said, or they are forced to not do. So when you try to force people to not do things, that is when you see people doing it. So you should change. Drop your hands. The best way to become a good person again, to become a good woman, is to quit. To quit. That's the only way. Go and look for another thing to do. This is a part of my video, but I haven't done a very very deep conversation like this before, because I know deep down within me that this is it. Okay, family, we'll speak later. So you can subscribe, you can join this channel, you can follow this page, so that you can get more of my content and watch more of things that I will be coming to speak about. Comment down below, let me know what you think about this. If you are a law enforcement agent and you think otherwise, let me know down below the comments. Peace. The good life.